This lesson I want to show you how to make truncated cones. Truncated cones are like cones, but instead of coming to a point, they have another flat surface. They're like cylinders, but each flat face of the object can have a different radius. To truncate means to cut off the top or the end of something, or to shorten it. Truncated cones are made using the all caps TCONE command, which takes three parameters. The first is for the bottom radius, the second is for the top radius, and the third is for the height. So let's make a truncated cone here named my TCONE with a bottom radius of 1.5, top radius of 0.5, and a height of 3. Then let's color it blue using the color command. And then let's display it using the show command. And run our program. In front of us, we have our truncated cone. Let me turn the grid on. It's 3 units tall along the z-axis. It has a bottom radius of 1.5. As you can see, if we look above it here, it goes out to the 1.5 from the center. And it has a top radius of 0.5. Notice that T-cones are created with the same default position as normal cones. They're centered at the origin and extend up the z-axis. When we say bottom radius, we are referring to the surface made on the xy plane and the value given by the first parameter. When we say top radius, we are referring to the face at the top of the T-cone. Let's swap the value of the top radius with the value of the bottom radius, and then run the program so that you can see the effects. This is our truncated cone with a swapped bottom and top radius. The height is still 3, but now the radius that's touching the flat surface of the xy plane is only 0.5, and the top radius is now 1.5. Truncated cones are useful for creating pedestals or for joining 2 cylinders with different diameters, among other things. To sum up this lesson, remember that the truncated cones are made using the TCONE command, which takes 3 parameters that indicate the bottom radius, top radius, and the height of the truncated cone. As usual, play around with truncated cones and see what you can create.